Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be setting up BD NET VPN application in almost all countries and on almost all networks. So the first step, we're going to be downloading the application from our official Google Play Store application. We're going to search BD NET VPN application. So I recommend you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to share this video to your friend, to like this video, and then to comment if you get any problem in the configuration process. So we're going to download this VPN application. It will be looking like this. It is from Suri Net Solutions, that one. Then we are going to open the application. Guys, I recommend you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I request you guys to share this video to your friend so that we can get more viewers and more subscribers, and we can connect more, because once we connect more, that is our dream. So we're going to be setting up only 3 settings. Don't skip the video, because once you skip the video, you're going to miss out all important events and you will complain that this application is not working. So you're going to come here where we have those 3 dashes. Then you're going to click those 3 dashes. Then we look for this option right there, so that you're going to be updating until we see a message that no updates available. Remember, this process requires us to have a running data bundle. So the second step, I'm going to come right here where I have the server, and then I'll choose the server. But the server, I'm going to leave it in auto select server. Then I will come right here where we have the network. Guys, at this network point, we are going to keep all things as we are going to be setting these things. I recommend you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video to your friend. So I'm going to search UDP. Once I search UDP, we have right for about 5 servers I'm seeing, but I'm going to choose the second server. If I talk about the second server, I mean this one right there. So I'm going to choose that one, and then if I choose that one, I'm going to come where we have the DNS. This one, I'm going to activate the DNS, and I'm going to choose the Cloudflare DNS, because we may have the Google, we have the Quad DNS, but I'm going to leave the Cloudflare. I'll be explaining why. So after, I'm going to come where we have the word start, then I press the start, then I wait for a few moments as it has connected successfully. My VPN application has connected successfully. I sign out.